Hey everyone, welcome back to Earthling Cooks. Today we're going to be doing some lobster tails. This is a super simple recipe and they come out amazing. Lobster doesn't need much seasoning. Now you can do some fun seasonings to it if you want, so you can add on stuff. But we're going to do a pretty simple method. We just have some butter and garlic over here that we're going to heat up in the microwave. Now I usually use real lemons. I thought I had some at home, but I don't. But I have lemon juice always in my fridge, so we're going to add a little bit of that to the butter garlic mixture there. And then once we open these up, which we'll do in a minute, we're just going to add some salt and pepper. You can add some other spices. Sometimes we like to do Cajun spice or some other things. We're going to do it pretty simple, just salt and pepper today. And then you just need a pan to cook them in. And they cook really pretty quick, about 10 minutes or so at about 400 degrees. Let's go ahead and get into these. To get into these, what we're going to want to do is take a kitchen scissors, go right through the top of the shell, and cut almost all the way back. And then from here, you're going to actually want to put a finger in because you're going to want to separate it from the sidewalls. So you're going to kind of go around it all the way down. And this is going to separate kind of the membrane and the meat from the sidewalls. If you don't do this, it'll just all be stuck together. You're going to go all the way around, get all that meat separated. Now as you can see, we're starting to come out. If you get any little chunks, try to pull those out because you don't want to have little hard chunks in your meal. Now we're going to go underneath, pull up, and I actually kind of separated it. Usually you don't do that. I just pulled it a little too far, but that's okay. And now we're going to lay it on top of the shell there, and then we'll get a nice presentation at the end. Again, make sure there's not really any shell in your meat. And there's our first one done. Let's go to the next one. And on this one, I still have it connected. That's usually how I get it done. You can pull it about to there, lay it down, and put the meat on top like that. Now we're just going to go ahead and throw some salt and pepper on. And then I'm also going to prepare this butter. So I got lobster hands now. I don't want to touch anything. But I'm going to pour a little bit of lemon juice in here and get this melted down in the microwave. Now we'll throw some lemon, butter, garlic mixture just on top. Just drizzle it over. And this will be the dipping sauce at the end as well. Now we're ready for the oven. Let's get them in the pan. I am going to be using a toaster oven, but you could do these in the toaster oven, the regular oven, even an air fryer. We're going to do about 400 degrees for about 10 minutes, maybe 12 minutes. Into the oven we go for 10 to 12 minutes. After 12 minutes in the oven, here is our final product. Looks amazing. We'll use some butter garlic lemon sauce there to top it off and dip it in, and these are going to be great. Have any questions, let me know. This is Earthling Cooks. We'll see y'all later.